Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing an Express clothing try on haul. We'll let this car pass. Okay, so recently I went to Express and bought a bunch of new clothes for my trip to California. If you've been staying up to date on my videos, you know that I went out to LA, to Santa Monica area for my cousin's wedding, and Josh and I were out there for 5 days. So I wanted to buy some new clothes for the wedding and just for the different events that we were doing. So these are the clothes that I bought. I will try to link everything down below for you guys. Hopefully all these things will still be available on Express. I know that Express is always getting like new clothes in all the time, and sometimes they sell out of certain things. So hopefully they'll have everything that I'm showing you guys today. If not, I apologize, and I'll try to link some things that are close to the same style as what I'm showing you guys. I wish I could have gotten this video up sooner. It just was hard with the trip and all that whole sort of thing, trying to get my schedule back to a normal routine. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start showing you guys. And I already tried on these things, so I'll be adding clips of me with these items on. I'm gonna try to scoot back because I have all these clothes over here. Okay, so I guess this is kind of random, but I guess since this is on top, I'll go ahead and talk about this. So I ended up getting this kimono, and it was like one of those purchases where I had bought everything that I was gonna get, and then I went back to just double check to make sure there was nothing that I overlooked, and then I saw like a couple of different like styles of these kimonos, and this one I just thought was so cute. It has like these little tassels on it, like tassel detailing, and it just looks really cute over top of dresses, over top of like tank tops and jean shorts, which is the way that I'm wearing it in the little clip. But yeah, I don't know, I just thought it was so cute. It just adds a lot of style to an outfit. So I ended up getting that. I thought it would be good to have like on nights whenever it was cool in LA, which I did wear it one of the nights while we were there. I actually wore it with this navy blue dress. Let me get that. So this navy blue dress is the dress that I wore the first night that we were there. We went to, it's called the Magic Castle, and it's a magician's society, and it's like a private like kind of club. Her fiance is like part of that club, so it's kind of like a really fancy affair. So I wore this dress. It has a really, I mean, it's like sexy, but at the same time it's still not like super like risque, or you know, like it still looks classy. Like it comes to your knees even though it has the slit, and it's spaghetti strap, but it's not like too revealing. So and I really liked the navy blue color. I thought it was really pretty, and that dress was really comfortable. Like it didn't feel like confining or anything. Like it moves with you. Like I think it has a little bit of like spandex in it. But yeah, that navy blue dress is a polyester spandex like blend. This next outfit I wore at the wedding, and I got so many comments to where I got this jumper on Instagram, and I got so many compliments on this jumper at the wedding. But I know like in the video, if I hold it up like this, you're not really going to be able to tell anything, but it has like cutouts on the side, and it's this really beautiful fuchsia purple jumpsuit. And even though it has the cutouts on the side, it still looks classic. It looks so beautiful. It's definitely a statement, I can't talk. It's definitely a statement outfit. And the makeup that I'm wearing today, this eyeshadow, this was like the makeup look that I wore with this jumper the night of the wedding, and I got so many compliments on this makeup look. I did a tutorial on this, like a get ready with me, so I'll link that video down below if you're curious about this makeup. But yeah, it's just the most beautiful jumpsuit, and I absolutely love it. It's like one of those types of things though where it's so dressy. It's like you don't have too many places to wear it. It's like date night or girls night out or something like that. But like during the day, it's like I mean, you could wear it out during the day, but it's definitely a statement piece. Like, people are definitely going to notice you when you wear this. And I think this is also like a spandex polyester blend. So yeah, absolutely love, love, love that jumper. I wish I would have gotten it in like the black, because they also had it in black, but I feel like something about the fuchsia just makes it, you know, the black, it would still look good, but it probably wouldn't be as like in your face as that fuchsia. Okay, so this next thing that I got was this long red tropical print skirt, and I wanted to get this because I thought it would be like cute to just wear for like one of the days we were gonna have like a lunch, like meet and greet thing with the family, and like her wedding party and friends and everything. And I thought that this skirt would just be really cute, so I really liked this. It was really comfortable and flowy and beautiful. I don't know, I just really thought this was super cute, and I wore it with like that white tank top that I have in the little video clip, and I got that white tank top at Walmart. So I mean, you could pair this with like a pink, like, you know, navy, this light blue, but I thought the white looked really pretty. And then the last things that I ended up getting were just like some tank tops. And I feel like I don't have a lot of like summer shirts. I mean, I do now because I purchased all these, and then I also bought some like workout clothes today as well, which I'll have that video coming up soon. I think I'm gonna post that one after this one, sharing with you guys some new workout clothes that I bought. But these two tank tops here, this first one, which is this green, it's a really pretty like army hunter green, and this is from their Express 111 brand, and it just fits so nice. Like, it's one of those tank tops that just has a really nice fit to it. You could wear it tucked out, or you could wear it tucked in. They had a couple of other colors in this, and I wish I would have gotten at least the black and the white, because I really like this so much. So I might be ordering some more of those. They still had this on the website because I looked the other night. And then this is also from their 111 brand, and this is kind of the same sort of style as that other tank top, except for it ties on the side and is super cute. And I really liked this color. It's a really pretty like teal. It's kind of in between a teal and cobalt blue. It just looks so cute on, and both of those tank tops look really cute with that kimono and like a pair of shorts. Also too, the shorts that I'm wearing with those tank tops I got from Express as well. But that was a while ago, so I don't know if they still have those pair of shorts. They probably don't, because like I said, they're always getting like new stuff in all the time. And then I got several of these tank tops, like the one I'm currently wearing, and then these. This is also from their 111 brand, and I really liked the detail on these tank tops, like how they had like the crisscross detail at the top, and I liked this color. It's kind of like a dusty mauve purple. I don't know, I just thought it was different, really pretty. I ended up getting this in a medium because they didn't have it in a small, so it's slightly a little bigger than what, you know, I wanted. And I really like these shirts tucked in the best. Like, they look good tucked into like high-waisted jeans or like high-waisted shorts, which is what I have this tank top paired with. And those high-waisted shorts I got at American Eagle, but I got those at American Eagle a few years ago. So, but yeah, so, and then I ended up getting a black one, just like that dusty mauve purple. You know, you can never go wrong with just like a classic black tank. And that was in a size small, which that fit better. And then of course I got the white one, like that black and the mauve. And then I ended up getting this mustard yellow, and this was just like a V-neck tank, and then it goes down in the back in a V, just like the front. Also, these tank tops go down in a V in the back as well. So those were all of the new clothes that I picked up at Express. I hope that you guys did enjoy this little clothing haul. I usually don't do clothing hauls a whole lot just because I don't really buy clothes a whole lot. I buy them, you know, and usually when I go clothes shopping, I'll just buy like a bunch at once, and then I won't buy anything for like, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 months, a year. So yeah, I hope that you guys did enjoy this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up so I know to film more clothing haul videos. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you won't miss any videos from me. But I hope that you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.